Today is day 2 of the fry being born. Can't really see them. There, a little bit. It's not those white specks. That's eggs. Not eggs. Gravel. It's the gray specks in there. If you're lucky, you might see them vibrating around in there. Yin and Yang spend their days picking the babies up and bringing them back and putting them up there, right there where he's staring. I really hope they get sleep at night. These guys are so busy all day, picking babies up, putting them back there, picking babies up, putting them back there. There's Mommy. Hi, Yin. Yang being a good daddy. Both of them being great parents. Very proud of my babies.